Question number 20. For a slightly damped oscillation, the amplitude goes to 0 within one period of oscillation. Okay, let us understand what is a damped oscillation. A damped oscillation will look like this. Initially, the pendulum's the oscillation amplitude is this much high. Then it keeps on reducing like this. Then finally, it becomes 0. Now, does it become 0 immediately after one oscillation? No. So, therefore, amplitude does not go to 0 within one period. Might take 1 or 2 periods, maybe 3 periods also. Therefore, this is incorrect. The oscillation frequency does not change with time. Definitely correct. Because this frequency will not change, but the amplitude will change. So, therefore, B is the right answer. The energy is transferred from the oscillation as quickly as possible. No, this is not possible. Okay, energy is not transferred. Energy is now decreasing over here. Okay, it doesn't say about as quickly as possible. That is correct. Oscillation frequency equals the undamped oscillation. This is the condition for your resonance. So this will have to be the right answer. Thus, E is the correct.